Understanding Old Hand, Mastering English Idioms. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an interesting English idiom, old hand. This phrase is commonly used in both professional and casual settings, so understanding its meaning and usage is key for English language learners. Let's explore what it means to be an old hand, and how you can use this expression in your daily conversations. First things first, let's break down the phrase, old hand. It refers to someone who is very experienced or skilled in a particular area. It's important to note that this idiom is not about age, but rather about the level of experience or expertise a person has. The word old, in this context, signifies long-standing experience, while hand is a metaphorical reference to skill or ability. The expression, old hand, has interesting historical roots. It originated from the nautical or maritime world, where an old hand was a sailor with a lot of experience at sea. Over time, the term broadened to include anyone with considerable experience in any field. Knowing the origin of an idiom like old hand can help you remember its meaning and use it more effectively. Let's look at some examples to understand how old hand is used in sentences. Don't worry about the new software. Jenna is an old hand at it and will help you learn. He's an old hand at negotiating deals, so we're in good hands. I may be new to the team, but I'm an old hand at project management. These examples show how old hand is often used to reassure, express confidence, or highlight someone's expertise. While using old hand, be cautious not to confuse it with being old-fashioned or outdated. It strictly refers to experience, not age or being behind the times. Also, it's an informal phrase, so it's more suitable for casual conversations or less formal writing. And that's a wrap on the phrase, old hand. I hope this video helps you understand and use this idiom confidently in your English conversations. Remember, becoming an old hand in English takes practice, so keep learning and experimenting with new phrases. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more English language learning content. See you in the next video.